Good morning. It is a beautiful day today. We're on day 17 of the Fit 66 challenge. Welcome here if you're new to visual fitness. If you have no idea what the Fit 66 challenge is, I have the entire playlist down below. You can go check it out from day one. Join us. You can catch up. My name is Annette. I'm a certified personal trainer and soon to be nutrition coach and yoga instructor. Today is just going to be a quick, awesome little floor stretch session. All you're going to need is a mat or a comfy carpet or blanket to do your stretches on. You don't have to stand up. It's just going to be a very short little yoga stretch. Get right into it. I'm going to start a little farther back than halfway down your mat, and we're going to start out in hero pose. So you're going to just put your bum between your heels, straight back, shoulders relaxed, head forward, hands settled on your thighs, and just take a couple deep breaths here. And then from here, we're going to slide forward into child's pose. Just relax your bum back, forehead to the mat, and take a couple deep breaths here. And then you're going to push up and come to all fours, flat back, hands and knees shoulder width apart. And then you're going to take your right arm, reach back, and grab your left leg. And just hold in a reach pose. Take a couple deep breaths here. Feel that really good stretch in your thigh. Let go. And then from here, we're going to push back into downward dog. Again, get a good stretch. Pedal your legs. And then we're going to come down into upward dog. Couple deep breaths. Stretch that back. Push back into downward dog. And then you're going to come forward and pull the left knee up. Hold. Push back. And then you're going to pull the right knee up. Hold. Back into downward dog. Pedal it out again. Back down onto all fours. Neutral back, and then you're going to take the left hand, reach around and grab your right foot, and we're going to do the same reach stretch we did on the other side. Release. Push back down into child's pose. Push back up into hero pose. Everything relaxed. Neutral spine. And we're done. Just a quick little low intensity yoga stretch. If you didn't have much time, this is a good one to come back to just to get the kinks out, to get things moving in the morning if you only have a couple minutes. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, come back and do this workout as much as you need to or want to. Congratulations on making it to day 17 of the challenge, and we'll see you tomorrow.